Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alex. I do videos all the time, fashion, lifestyle, and so much more crazy stuff. So today's video is gonna be about a company called Manbox. So Manbox recently sent me, well, their Manbox, and I thought that we would unbox it and see what's going on here. So I haven't even looked inside here. I don't even know. You could actually see it still in the packaging. The Ruby box has makeup and all of that stuff, and if you want me to review it, I can. I've never been sent anything like this before, and it's kind of really interesting to me. So let's unbox it, shall we? If you like the new background, let me know, because I'm trying different stuff. Oh, so close to my face. Okay, so we open this up. Packaging. Did I break it? Okay. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. Oh my god, ow. This is like literally the box. Okay, let's just smile the thumbnail. This is what comes in the box, and some of the stuff I really do like already. So this is the Gillette Mash 3. Mash 3. So this is the Gillette Mash 3. I haven't tried this before. I know my dad uses the Gillette, but I'm so keen to try this out. This is White Water by Old Spice, and it's the deodorant stick. Actually, I do have one already, and I actually do love this product because it's really good speed stick. It's not like where they just crumble after a while. It's really nice. I enjoy this one, and this is very long lasting. Eh? Something that I haven't tried is the Sorbet post shave balm. This is really cool. Wow, I'm really keen to try this out. If you want a review about this, let me know. What else we have here? Oh, so we have the Nivea for Men body lotion. Nivea for Men body lotion revitalizing. Oh my god, I can't speak. For normal skin with vitamin E. I really like to try this out. If you watch my previous video, which was like uploaded a few days ago, you know that I went through a whole ton of lotions. Yeah, so this is what comes in the box. I really like it. I'm not sure the overall price of the box, but I will leave all of that information down below. If you would like to see another video like this, let me know. Thank you to Manbox for sending me this. I really appreciate it. It's really cool when a company reaches out and sends stuff to us to review and to speak about. I really appreciate it. And by the way, it's not sponsored. It's just been sent to me. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you stayed through the whole video, you are so amazing. And I will see you guys in the next one.